right, hello. We are back for another episode of What is in the Giant Ephemera Box. Try and keep this to about 5 minutes today. Okay, so first off we have this really cool letter. This deed made and entered into by and between E.W. Allison of the country of Hickman and state of Kentucky, county of, okay. Anyway, it's a deed. Oh, this is connected. $1897. Whew, that is some cool old documentation there. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is 1964. Looks like a handwritten letter. It is. So we got 7 pages. Oof, you go, girl. I read that another time. Or not. It may just make its way into an ephemera kit without me ever reading it. That happens. There's just so many, and I love them, but I can't read them all. So this is a whole stack of checks. So that's kind of impressive, from 1941 to 1951. So I won't go through those one by one. Here's another piece of that adding machine tape. I love this for collage fodder. Kind of makes me want to get an old adding machine and make stuff like that. They would probably laugh at us if they could see us going through all their old stuff, going, really, people? All right, this is a statement of account from a bank in 1945 to 1950, it looks like, 1951. All right, and we've got some old photos, I think. I haven't opened these, so yeah. Sometimes you open them and they're just the folder, but this is an actual photograph. Sweet little family. I'm just trying to read what this says. Somebody and Annie and Steve and somebody else, Troy, his wife and baby. First 4 are all deceased. Oh. Alrighty. Oh, she's beautiful. Love that age on here. Wonder if there's anything written. Ellie Harkey, maybe. Alrighty. This lovely couple. Brother of Grandma Annie. Wow. Check that out. That's amazing. I don't know what's happening here, but a lot of horses and men. Couple wagons. Maybe like a logging thing or something like that. That's cool. Okay, and last but not least, these 2 little sweeties. Absolutely adorable. Annie and Troy. Seen a lot of Annie and Troys in here. That's adorable. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.